Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect Trust Wallet to PancakeSwap. First of all, open the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. After that, tap on the settings icon at top left corner and then access the Preferences tab. Inside it, select the browser feature and make sure it is enabled. After that, go back to the home page and tap on this Discover icon at bottom right corner. Now, search for PancakeSwap.finance and you will be sent to this web page. Here, simply tap on the Connect button and that's it. Your Trust Wallet will be connected successfully. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.